In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a pending task from Google Calendar. Having a clean and organized calendar enhances productivity and ensures you're not overwhelmed by tasks, especially those that are no longer relevant. Let's walk through the steps together so you can seamlessly manage your calendar tasks. First, what you'll want to do is open up your web browser and go to your Google Calendar. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that holds the calendar you want to manage. You can find Google Calendar by typing Google Calendar into your search bar, or you can navigate directly using calendar.google.com. Once there, you'll see your current schedule and the list of tasks associated with your calendar on the right side of the window. Now look over to the right hand panel where you'll find the tasks icon. This icon typically appears as a small check mark within a circle, and it is your gateway to managing all your pending tasks. Give that a click and a list of your tasks should appear. Task lists can sometimes be long and might include items that are no longer necessary. By managing them, you'll ensure your focus is only on what truly matters. Next, search through your list of tasks until you find the pending one that you wish to delete. Hover your mouse over this particular task. You'll notice that 3 vertical dots will appear next to the task. This is a crucial part, as clicking these dots will open up more options for you. It's always handy to know these hidden functions, as they're designed to enhance your user experience and allow greater flexibility. Once you've clicked that, a drop-down menu will show up. From this menu, you'll want to select the delete option. It's important to remember that once you delete a task, it's gone for good, so make sure you're certain you no longer need this task before proceeding with this step. This straightforward action declutters your task list, leading to a neater and more efficient calendar setup. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully removed a pending task from your Google Calendar. Regularly checking and updating your task list can immensely help in keeping your calendar organized and your mind clear. We hope this tutorial makes managing your tasks on Google Calendar a much easier and stress-free experience. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more practical tips and tricks like this one. Remember to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover. Thanks for tuning in, and happy calendaring.